riding some kind of little scooter with no helmet on. He's running from me, going off-road by the power line. Going towards Dollar General, Platteville, wearing gray shorts, brown backpack, yellow t-shirt. Going through the Dollar General parking lot now. Temporary circling back, going through the woods. He's back northbound off of Lima. Yeah, I think I lost him in the woods. Alright, I got him. We're back on Sportsman's Club. Citizen flagged me down. I see him. Turning on Big Oak. Just past Helen. Going through First Road. He just ran the stop sign on First Road. Turning on White Pine. Going about 35. Turning on Long Pine. Going northbound. Still on Long Pine, took the right-hand turn, going westbound. Just past Pine Manor. Turning on Pine Summit. He's slowing down, not sure what he's doing. Still on Pine Summit.
I'll try to keep you up to date. I'm getting on Blooming now.
10-4, we're taking a left on Pine Arbor, going back out to Sportsman's Club. Alright, we're turning back on Sportsman's Club, headed towards Philema. Coming around the sharp curve on Sportsman's Club, going about 33. Slowing down again. Alright, we're turning on Pine Lakes, going back into the neighborhood. Coming up on Pine Summit. We're past that, we're Pine Arbor, we're just making a circle, going back to Sportsman's Club again. Back on Sportsman's Club. Notate he's reckless driving now. He's swerving back and forth in the lanes. We're going 29 miles an hour.
Alright, getting on Sportsman Club. Pine Lake.
And we're coming up on you right there. He's probably going to try to go around you. You could have hopped out and got him right there. Yeah, it's like he wants to slow down.
I'm on Sportsman Club. We have showing because.